Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What I'm doing in today's video is slightly different. We are going to be looking at what is in my mobile kit bags for being a travelling nail tech. One thing I found when looking to go mobile was I really struggled to know what was essential in a kit, because for years I've worked in salons and you've got everything you need. So, right, the way I've organised my stuff makes sense in my head, might not make sense in anyone else's head. So like if you watch this and you're like, oh, she's an idiot, then well, what can I do? So the brand I use for my main kit, let me just pick it up, it's really heavy. The brand I use for my main kit bag is the Hellooooo Beauty bag. And inside it, so if we open it up, oh my god, this is literally like porn for nail techs. So it's split into 3 bags inside the main bag, and they come with foam inserts, but the brand I use of polish, which is the gel bottling, their bottles are slightly different shape. They don't fit in the foam inserts that came in here, but I will show you how I've combated that situation. The top bag, they're shaped like this, nice and square. And each bag has its own individual handle, which is really helpful. It's mesh on the top, so as you can see through what's in it. I've got another one here. Then my last one is my Pride and Joy, which is the majority of my colours. Oh, it's so satisfying. In this top one, we unzip it. Do a little bit of ASMR. I have my 2 nail rings. And in here, I've got, oh wow, see, okay, this is where every person's kit's going to be specific to them. I'm also an acrylic nail tech, I'm not just gel. I use the Crystal Nails Cover Pink Master Powder. Like, it's fine, it's fine. It's not velvety smooth. If you're an acrylic nail technician, everything's so specific to you, and I like something that's really velvety smooth. But I wasn't going to waste a product. If it works, if it's not lifting, I'm going to keep it. Next I have a small roll of the ASP forms. I use this for both hard gel and acrylic building. My nail files, I've got quite a few in here, and I've got my buffers. So for removing dust, obviously I use like acetone and gel polish cleanse, but I also have a makeup brush. It's a Morphe makeup brush, and it's clean, and I just use it to dust off any excess dust, because I find it gets the majority of it off, and this works really well. I have 3 like priming things. I have my Prep and Clean dehydrant from ASP. I have my ASP Extra Tone primer, and lastly I've got a line eliminator. This is only for use when I'm doing acrylic. And then my cuticle pushers, my cuticle nippers, spare carbide bits, my e-file, clippers, and some little pots of little flowers. Right, so that's what's in my first kit bag. Not very exciting. It's the things that I reach for the most when doing a treatment. It's easier to have them all in one place. Obviously you might think, well, where's your acetone, where's your gel polish cleanse, where's your nail wipes? They're all stored differently. In the next little bag, it gives me anxiety holding it this way, so I'm going to hold it this way. In the next little bag I have, we're going to call them odd bits and colours. So I have my cuticle oil. I use the Avaplex OPI cuticle oil. It's fine. Yeah, that's about it. It's fine. I have a little bottle of acetone. Obviously I don't carry a massive litre bottle of acetone around with me, because I mean it's heavy and why would I? So I have a little bottle with me at all times. And then I have a little tiny pink dapping dish. This is good for decanting a little bit sort of acetone, or it just comes in handy, like a surprising amount of time. Like even things like decanting a bit of glitter, if you want to mix glitter into a clear like top coat or something, really handy for that. I then have, now nail techs don't freak out, a product by Blue Sky. I know, I don't like Blue Sky products, they're not great, but this top coat, the no wipe top coat, I use it to do a thin coat on glitters before using my regular top coat. So I always use my regular top coat afterwards, but this just stops glitter getting my regular one, and I've not found any problems doing that. So always do that. And it's like £5 compared to like 20. So I've got a couple of colours here from ASP Signature gel polishes. I've got a sugar pink, which is a nude, and I've got the Frenchy pink. I really do like these colours. These colours are really good base colours for doing nail art and glitter and things like that, because they stay really tacky, and you can really press a lot of glitter into them, so I really like them for that. So I've just got like nudey ones, because a lot of the time glitter I'm just pressing it into nude. And then I've got some artistic colour gloss, like bright neon colours. Don't really use them very often. I've got a really, okay, this is gross, I've got a really old top coat. Like, it was broken, but I swear by this, I swear by it for mixing glitter into it, to do like little glitter droplets and things like that. It's so good for that. So that's by a brand called Foxy21. I think they sent this to me for free. I don't think I paid for it. I don't remember paying for it. It was when I worked in a salon or something, or signed up for something, I don't know, but I got it for free. And then I've got a couple of gel polishes. I'm not going to go through every single colour that I've got. I've got 10 gelish gel polishes in a variety of shades and colours, in the old bottles. I believe it's the older formula as well. I don't really fuck with gelish anymore. I used to use exclusively gelish, but no. So the brand I use regularly now is my like main brand. Pretty much 95% of my clients have on their nails is the gel bottling, and it is fucking amazing. Honestly, truly glorious, this product, right? Magnificent. I'm gonna go there. This is the best freaking product anyone will ever use. So in this bag, I don't store my colours. I have my black and white in here because they didn't go with my little feng shui in the other bag, so they're in this bag. And then I have my spare clear base, top coat, matte top coat, 3 builder in bottles. If you want a video more in detail about specific gel bottling products that I use, please do ask and I will definitely make that. That's what's in that bag. Very satisfying. So my last bag is the most beautiful bag there ever is, and this is the majority, the bulk of my colours. So that's what's in the bottom one. 33 polishes. I think that's really good to be able to fit in one bag, and it being clear on the top, like this is with it closed, this is the mesh. It's so easy. Like because I don't know about other mobile techs, but I found that a lot of the time my stuff sort of around me on the floor or like on a chair or something. So being able to just look down and see where the colour that the client has picked from the swatches makes it so much easier. Now, obviously, my lamp, my e-file, all of that doesn't fit in those bags. So in comes the really ugly bag. Da-da-da! It's not actually ugly. It's quite cute. I don't know. It is quite cute. It's the Cath Kidston Marie Curie Cancer Care exclusively Tesco bag. This bag just holds all my like Tit Tat. Is Tit Tat a word? Tat? This bag just holds everything that I can't fit everything else into. So, first up, the most beloved thing of any nail tech. It's Couch Roll. I use the 10-inch because I don't need the big one. I have a singular soak-off pot. I just get these off Amazon. It has a section so you can put hot water in there, not boiling, but hot water in there, and then you flip it up, pour acetone in there, or you can put like hot bubbly water in there if they've got like dry cuticles and you want to like smooth them out and soften them. I then have an extension lead because I go to a lot of student houses. Student houses in the area that I'm in are really old and don't have a lot of plug sockets, and it's ball ache when you're doing someone's nails and there's plug socket like over there and your gel lamp lead is like this long. So extension lead, absolute essential. Absolute essential. I have my Ziploc baggie, big bag. I have my Ziploc bag that has my acrylic liquid, and this big wad here is me trying to be airtight with the pot that I store my acrylic liquid in. This just keeps the smell from coming out, and also I feel like it just stores it. Just stores it for me, which is nice. I've then got a little clear, these are just from Superdrug. This is literally just filled with lint-free wipes. just because I find that if this keeps them clean if they're in here, and they fall out as soon as you open these bags. They will just fall out everywhere, so having them in one of these is really helpful. I'm not going to go into detail in this, but I will show you everything one day if you want to in another video. This is my nail art and glitter bag. If you want a full video on that, please let me know. Next I have my e-file. I use the gel bottle ink e-file. It's brilliant. Then I have my gel bottle ink lamp as well, and I just put the charger bit inside there. I don't know if that's going to damage the inside of my lamp. I've only just thought about that right now. What can I do? I store it in here. I did used to store it in the big cardboard box that it came in, but it was just a pain in the ass getting it out in and out again. So, I mean, this will do. It's pretty sturdy. It's a really good quality little bit of machinery. So, and lastly, well, not lastly, I have a towel in there as well, but I'm not going to show you my towel. I have this. I know it seems weird to bring your own lamp with you, mobile, but this has been really helpful. I only got it the other day and I bloody love it because this can collapse right down, quite small. I don't know if that's going to destroy it, but I mean, hopefully not. Just from IKEA, it was only £10, not very heavy, and it fits really easily into my bag. You can just sort of shove it in and it's fine. But when you go to people's houses and they have really shit lighting, people insist on having mood lighting as well. Like they'll turn off their kitchen lights and have like just the dull ones underneath their counters and stuff on. And I'm like, no, I need actual lighting. So this is a good way to have it if their lighting's crap, to ensure that you have good lighting. That is how I organise my nail kit. I know there's a lot of nail techs that are constantly asking this question on how to organise their bags. So I hope this was helpful to any of you who are watching it who are nail techs. And if you're not a nail tech, then I hope you enjoyed this video anyway, because it allowed you to have a little sneak peek of how your nail tech might organise their stuff. And if I'm your nail tech, then thanks for watching. Yeah, so thank you for watching. I will record some more videos for you guys in the future on all the topics of nails if you want it. So if you want it, comment below, or if you follow me on Instagram, DM me on Instagram, say I want more videos, I really enjoyed that. Or like, pop man, give it a rest, that was shit. Either way, let me know. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you another time. Bye.